How long does it take to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance account and open up the spot wallet of your Binance. Then click on this option of withdraw and wait for it to load. After that, select the coin, and since we want to send Solana, so we will select Solana over here. Then it would ask us to write the address. For this, simply open up your Phantom wallet. In your Phantom wallet, click on receive, then select Solana and copy the code or your address and paste it over here on Binance. After that, just simply type the amount that you want to transfer, and in our case or in this video I want to send the max amount, so I will click on max. After that, click on withdraw and wait for it to load. Now it will ask you with the transaction whether you want to continue or not. Simply click on continue. Now it will ask you for passkey. It is the passkey of your phone or your laptop or anything that you have set before. So after approval, you would be able to receive the amount. Simply click on OK. So this is how easy and fast to withdraw the funds from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now we will be receiving the funds on our Phantom Wallet just in a while. Currently this transaction is processing. After we get verified or the blockchain verifies our transaction, we will receive the funds in our Solana or the Phantom Wallet. So here we go. We have received the funds in our Phantom Wallet in less than 1 minute, I guess. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.